The Rubik's Cube is a hard thing to master, and F2L just makes it a whole lot harder. Unlike layer by layer, which is finding a quarter, putting it in its slot, and then putting the edge in with it. F2L is finding a corner and its edge, pairing them up together like that, and inserting it in its slot. For beginners, F2L is what we're going to be going over today. Layer by layer, I'll do just in my 3x3 tutorial. Let's start off by learning a few very simple and easy algorithms. This one right here, where the edge, the pair is right here, and the slot is right here. The white is on this side. You would do R, U prime, R prime. A mirror of this, the pair is here, and the slot is here. The white is over on your right side this time. You would do L prime, U, L, L. This one is when the pair is separated. The corner is right here with red on top, and the edge is over here with blue on top, opposite colors. And then you just want to do R, U, R prime. Mirror this one. The corner's right here, the edge is over here, blue's here, and the other one's red. You would do L prime, U prime, L. The first step in F2L is making sure both pieces are in the top layer. So I see there's this red and green corner, and the red and green edge is up here. Now to move this up here, you would just do R, U, or something like that. Just do an R, and then you can move it around the top layer. So over on this green side, the red and green edge is not on this green side. Make sure that it's not happening, because if it is, the green and edge, green and red one, will go down there with it. So you want to make sure it's not on the green side, and then when you're done, just put the green side back down, and you can see we got both the pieces up here. Second step is getting the pair into a shape where we can use one of them short algorithms. So this edge in this corner, the edge could be right here, right next to it, or it could be across. When the top colors are the same, you're going to want to have this edge right here next to it. To do that, you have to bring this corner down like you're hiding it, and make sure nothing's here in this other slot right back here. So you bring it back, and you move this edge to that spot, and then you can bring this corner back up. The other case, where the two colors are not the same on top, you're going to want to move this edge across. To do that, you got to hide this corner, move the edge to its correct slot, or to its correct place, and bring your corner back up. You can see it's set up so we can do the R, U, R prime algorithm. Now, the blue and orange one, these are the pieces right here. You can see the white stickers up on this one. That's a different one. So you can see the edge, this side piece of the edge right here. You're going to want to keep turning it until it lines up with the centerpiece. Then you're going to want to see if this color and this color match. And they do. If they do, you're going to want to push it up and then move the corner until it's on top of the edge piece. Then you can bring it down. Now they're paired up, the slot's right here, and you can just insert it. Looking at that same case, but these two colors are not the same, you're going to want to move this until the side is matched up with the centerpiece. And then this time, you're going to want to bring it down, then move the corner on top of it, bring it up, and now they're paired up. You can just insert it. Now, there are some special cases like this orange and green piece here. You can see they're together, so we haven't seen this yet. Now, there's not really a way to line it up and move it down or up and stuff. You have to break them apart. So you have to make sure this slot right here does not already have a pair in it. You're going to move the corner down, move the edge wherever you want except for the green side, or whichever side you move to move the corner. You're going to bring the corner back up, and now we know this case. We can just do it like that. It goes the same for this red and blue one. You can break them apart like that, and then you're able to do this. So we can hide the corner, bring the edge piece there, and now they're paired up. So now we can just insert it. There's this case that's special. You can just break them apart and you can insert it. There's this one too. You can break it up and insert it. And lastly, we got this one right here. It's basically the same as all the others. You break it up and pair it, insert it. Now we're going to do an example solve just to show you guys how this would look in a solve. So first, you should know how to do the white cross, and then we're looking at the red and blue right here. So we're going to get that corner out just like that, pair them up like that, and insert it. Now I can see this blue and orange one here. So we got lined up, pair them, and insert it. Now you can see we have the green and orange in the top layer. So here's the edge. We're gonna bring that down and hide it. Move the edge over to this spot because they're opposite colors. Then bring it up. Then we can insert it. Well, this one, you can just bring it out like that. Break it up. Now, we know this case. We can hide that corner. Bring this edge right here because they're opposite colors again. Bring it here. Bring the corner back. And now we can insert it with L prime, U prime, L. And then after that, you just got normal PLL, OLL, and PLL. That's all I have for you guys on Beginner's F2L. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, as well as video suggestions. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in another video.